Today, join me as I celebrate the Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day at BAI Hotel. Aside from Dragon Dance and other Chinese presentations, what make our Chinese New Year special here in BAI Hotel? Because they mix a Western and Asian cuisines just to satisfy our cravings for this very special weekend. Cafe BAI might still be closed because they are preparing it for the new normal. They've opened Cafe Corazon. And here I am about to try my Chinese cravings. So we have the bakote and of course naatay fried rice, then of course ang Hainanese chicken, braised pork, or all basta tanan nimong Chinese favorites na agyud nga ni plus the asado. And of course mo akong gusto basta Chinese buffet kay ang Peking duck. Yehey with the hoisin sauce. Perfect na gyud dayon. And of course, siomai with a lot of chili sauce. And of course, kina roasted beef apilan sa gyud nato oy. And of course, unahon gyud nato ang Peking duck and kinahan chuki kulami kayo ang panit. And now, we'll having the siomai, then the asado, and of course, kinalit na magpansip oy, and the braised pork. And yes, don't forget your green, guys. Oh, nakalimot ko na ko sa bawi ang bakote. And it is so rich and so tasty. And dessert time! Katawa ko because two of my favorite butchi and masi in one plate. And of course, kay New Year man, mangaon sa gyutta og tikoy. And at least sure ko nakakong tikoy karon nga New Year. So swerte ko ka year na year and I'm claiming it. And of course, plus the masi nga grabe ka, dasok ang ilahang peanut. And plus, the ice cream as a dessert. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. Pero dili pa na mo end na itong video because why will go up to Twilight Roofdeck Bar. Yes guys, Twilight Roofdeck Lounge and Bar is already open every Fridays from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. So perfect na good if ever you want to chill. Then it's something and of course to drink a little bit. Gamay lang ha, dili pwede pa sobraan. I am really so happy nga nag-open na ang Twilight because kung wala mo na kay Bao and if ever you have been following me, this is one of the spots that I usually hang out because I am really loving the view here. And their drinks are pretty affordable and strong too, trust me. But always remember, don't drink and drive and drink in moderation, okay? And don't forget to follow me in all my social media accounts and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!